Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Garima. Let's look at today's top health news. AIIMS Delhi pioneers India's first TEM-based diagnostic method for primary ciliary dyskinesia. Researchers at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi have achieved a major breakthrough in India's diagnostic capabilities by developing a cutting-edge method to diagnose primary ciliary dyskinesia, a rare and often misdiagnosed genetic disorder affecting the respiratory system using transmission electron microscopy. According to Dr. Subhash Chandra Yadav from the Electron Microscope Facility Department of Anatomy, AIIMS Delhi, this method is the first of its kind in India. This type of diagnosis is the first of its kind in India, and no other hospital or research lab in the country currently provides such a diagnosis based on electron microscopy, said Dr. Subhash Chandra Yadav of the Electron Microscope Facility, Department of Anatomy, AIIMS Delhi, news agency PTI reported. Dr. Yadav said that the AIIMS Delhi method for PCD diagnosis has now been internationally accepted as an innovative methodology and other ciliary diseases. The breakthrough led by Dr. Yadav and Professor Kana Ramjat from the Department of Pediatrics was detailed in the prestigious journal under the title An Innovative TEM-based Ultrastructural Imaging Methodology for the Diagnosing of Respiratory Ciliary Disorders. According to a statement from the AIIMS Delhi, the advanced method dramatically improves diagnostic accuracy, identifies structural defects in motile cilia in nearly 70% of the suspected cases, an achievement unmatched even by cutting-edge whole genome sequencing. Validated on 200 patients with suspected ciliary disorders, the technique confirmed diagnosis in 135 cases. Medical experts hail this innovation as a game changer in genetic diagnostics. It promises faster and more accurate diagnosis while laying the groundwork for personalized therapies, enhanced patient care, and deeper understanding of the mechanisms underlying ciliary disorders. This pioneering efforts by AIIMS researchers marks a transformative milestone in India's diagnostic capabilities, bringing hope to patients and their families affected by rare genetic diseases. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.